Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Jamaican scientist Dr. Henry Lowe says he has had a breakthrough in securing funding for his medical cannabis research and development. The scientist landed a $5.7 million investment in his US-based laboratory, FlavorCure. But he's hoping that Jamaicans will also invest in the business so the island can get a piece of the pie. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
After years of being shut out by financial institutions in Jamaica, Dr. Henry Lowe says he's finally secured an investment overseas. The investment is being made by Canadian firm Atlas Biotechnologies. The Medicanja boss says it could balloon into a major pharmaceutical breakthrough, and he's calling on Jamaican investors to join the train before it's too late.
I'm hoping that this opportunity, which has opened up, will give Jamaicans a chance to contact me to invest, as well as to give us the opportunity to grow and eliminate some of our financial problems and go forward.
The government announced plans to break into the global medical ganja industry, but have since encountered challenges with correspondent banks who have threatened to discontinue their services with financial institutions in countries which deal in any kind of ganja business. Dr. Lowe argues that this investment could be used as a launchpad for the island's entry into the global pharmaceutical industry.
What I'm hoping is that we will consider using this as a baseline to get into the very lucrative pharmaceutical industry, which is multi-billion dollars. And if we get in there and we do well, who needs IMF?
In the meantime, Dr. Lowe admitted that he will not be using ganja from Jamaica in his operations at FlavorCure, but he noted that things could change in the future.
Where we are now, we don't need to have ganja used because we have made the products synthetically, and we are breeding plants in Canada to produce more of these drugs naturally. The breeding program could eventually come to Jamaica.
For the Business Day, I'm Andrew Laidley.
In currency trading, the US dollar is selling for the lowest it has been in 7 months. The greenback sold for $126.99 today. That's an 8% appreciation in the value of the Jamaican dollar since mid-September. The Canadian dollar is going for $96.24. The pound sold for $164.61, while the euro ended the day selling for $142.87 on average. Oil prices traded lower today. Oil for delivery in December went down by $1.89 to settle at $58.86 a barrel. The JSE index gained 398 points today, while the junior market index is up by 17 points. Among the winners today, 1834 Investments, Caribbean Cement, Everything Fresh, Fosrich, General Accident Insurance, Indies Pharma, Jamaica Broilers, and Kingston Wharves. Now, among the losers were Access Financial Services, Cargo Handlers, Elite Diagnostic, Grace Kennedy, Honeybun, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Kingston Properties, and Lasco Financial Services. And that's your Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.